Is this a fresh face-off between the Aam Aadmi Party government ministers and senior bureaucrats, especially after the IS officers and those of Danit went on a one-day mass protest leave? Home Secretary S.N. Sahai clearly being informed that all important files will now directly be referred to the Minister of Home in Delhi, Satyendra Jain, which means only 3 issues of public order, police and its service matters can be referred to the Home Secretary.
On its part, the Delhi government trying to downplay the controversy.
कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं दी गई है, ऑर्डर्स दिए गए हैं। ऑर्डर्स तो चलते हैं एलोकेशन ऑफ वर्क के अंदर, क्योंकि काम बहुत ज़्यादा है तो अलग अलग ऑफिसर को अलग अलग काम दिए गए हैं। अगर आप कहेंगे कि एक आदमी के पास सारा काम, सारी फाइलें जाएं, वो फाइल नहीं देख सकते इतनी सारी, तो उसके लिए डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क है।
Satyendra Jain, by saying that he will sign the all papers regarding the home department directly himself and will not pass the papers to the Home Secretary, shows that they don't believe in constitution and they are trying to do whatever is unauthorized and unconstitutional in the system.
It was in December when AAP's government's decision to transfer 2 DANIX officials had upset the IAS officers' body, and once again it is the officers who are stuck in between power tussle.
ये एक्शन बिल्कुल मिनिस्टर का गलत है और बाकी तो अभी इनमें आपस में टसल चल रही है। ये हर चीज कहेंगे कि कोर्ट डिसाइड करे लीगल है कि नहीं है।
For the party which promised to govern with a difference, with the repeated transfer of civil servants, has it forgotten its own promise? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Well, it's the glitziest night on the football calendar. The Ballon d'Or 2015 will take place in Zurich on Monday. Barcelona duo Lionel Messi and Neymar are vying for the top prize alongside the current holder Cristiano Ronaldo.